Hey, it's me, Big ODO. That's B-I-G-O-D-O. Come on an adventure with Big ODO. Whoa, look at me, I'm jumping up and down. Whoa, I'm like an airplane, I'm flying. Hey, do you want to go on an adventure to the airplane place? That's gonna be fun. Let's go on an adventure. Let's go on an adventure to the airport. There's lots of gliders there, and I think we'll be able to see one taking off. With any luck, we will. So come on an adventure, let's go! Hey, it's me, Big ODO. Look what I found. I found a white car. And if you thought that was cool, look over here. Here's a white biplane. It's called a biplane because it's got two wings. It's 1, 2. And come and have a look at the front. Wow, look here, it's got a propeller at the front. Goes around and around and around. Oh, look down here. It's got 2 black wheels. Here for rolling along the ground. Maybe we can watch an aeroplane take off up into the sky. That would be super cool. Let's see what we've got around here. Come on. Wow, look at all these aeroplanes in here. They are so cool with their wings and their propellers that go around and around and around. This is so amazing. Hello. Have you ever been in an aeroplane before? I have. It went way up high and I could look out down at the ocean, down at the land. I was passing over the top of everything. I am so excited. Hey, I wanted to show you how we can make an aeroplane out of a piece of paper. Look at this. We're gonna fold it down the middle. Here, like this, and like that. And then we've got, look, we're gonna unfold it, and we've got this middle line, a line in the middle. Then we're gonna fold this corner in like this, and then crease it with our finger, and then fold this other corner in like this, and crease it with our finger, and then we're gonna fold it again, like that. And then crease it, turn it this way, and fold it again like this. And put a crease down here. Look, then we fold it together, like that. Fold it together. Then we fold the side down like that. Run our finger along. Down like this. Run our finger along, and then look, if we unfold it, we've got an aeroplane. Should we see how it flies? Come. I'm gonna go just over here. You ready? You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3, take off! why, it's me, Big ODO. Look what we've got here. It's a thermometer. Have you seen a thermometer before? It's to measure how hot the temperature is. And look, here we can see the thermometer. The mercury in the thermometer goes all the way up to 19. That's one shy of 20. Anyway, come on an adventure with Big ODO. I'm gonna get my socks on and my shoes. I have to put them on my feet like this, and a bit squeezy to get into, and have to undo my shoelaces quickly, poo, and then squeeze my foot in. I'm gonna come up closer and you can see me do my shoelaces up. Yeah, I'm gonna make a cross over my shoelaces, and then I'm gonna make one rabbit ear, I'll make another rabbit ear, and then I'll cross them over, put them through each other, just like that. Now, let's do our second shoe. Undo the laces, put our foot in, nice and snug, and we'll tighten the lace. We'll make a cross, then make two big rabbit ears. We cross them over and put them through the hole and then pull them tight. Woohoo! Just like that. Come! Hey! You're gonna come on an adventure with Big ODO? Come on, let's go! Today, we're gonna go on an adventure in the nature. We're gonna go to a farm. We're gonna see some aeroplanes. We're gonna see lots of cool things with our eyes. And we're gonna use our imagination. We're gonna do some counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 fingers. We're gonna have so much fun today, so come on, let's go. Wow, so here we are at the farm, and there's a real tractor behind me. Look how big that is. Hey, look what I found on the farm. It's a green tractor. And look, it's got these big black wheels. And then inside, he's got some red rims. Woohoo! And up here, we've got the cab. That's where the farmer sits and drives his tractor. What has he got on the back? What does this do over here? Wow, that's his tool, that's his attachment that he's got on his tractor so that he can whip up all the grass together and collect it into hay bundles. This is really cool. Look, here's the steps so he can step up on his tractor. 1, 2, and then 3 is his final step. And here we've got his exhaust. That's where the exhaust fumes come out, like poof, poof, poof. And what else have we got? I think that's his air intake. That's where he takes air in for his engine so his engine can keep running. Come on, let's keep going. I can see some cows over here. Come, let's have a look at the cows. Wow, look at these beautiful cows. And I've got some, who knows what this is called? Yeah, it's called hay. That's what the cows are going to be eating. You like that? What about over here? Who wants some hay? Such beautiful animals, aren't you? Look at you. You gorgeous thing. Should we get you some real grass? Look, I've got some fresh green grass as well. Let's see how they like that. Oh yeah, that's a winner. That's what they like. Yeah, how's that? This cow's got some white on his head, and this one's more black. Lots of beautiful cows. Look over here. I found one of the farmer's tools. It's called a pitchfork. And I'll show you what we do with the pitchfork. We pick up the hay, we can turn the hay, and we can move it all around. Pick. We can make sure they've got enough hay to eat. Look at this really handy system. Look, there's little clips in here, and that's where our tools go into. We can put our tools back in there, do a bit of sweeping, a little bit of tidying up, a little bit of tidying up. Haha, this is fun. Maybe you can help Mum or Dad doing some sweeping at home sometimes. Now that's an idea. Should we keep going? Let's see if we can find some horses on the farm. Come on, let's go. Look at you. Hello, gorgeous. Hello, gorgeous. Here comes a beautiful brown cow. He's having a smell of my hands. He's licking my fingers. His tongue feels like sandpaper. And he's got a really slimy nose. Ugh. Wow! Have a look what I found in here. There's lots of hay. That's where the farmer stores all of his hay for the winter. So he's got some feed to feed the cows. I like hay. Do you like hay? Hey, there's more bundles of hay around the corner. The farmer's got so much food for winter for all of his animals. Look, here's some more hay. It's everywhere. Come on. I think there's some horses up over here. Here's some grass that the farmers have cut down. But where are the horses? Where are they? I'll try and call for them. We might have to go around the side. I'll take my gifts with me. I've got some grass for them. Here they are. We found where the horses are. Let's see if they want to have some grass, hey? That one's eating from the tree. Have you ever seen a horse eat from a tree? That's a bit funny, isn't it? Here you go. How do you like that? Oh, he's trying to pull it out of my hands. Can you hear him munching and crunching? Here comes his other friend. We need to be careful here because these wires, they've got electricity running through them, and if we touch them, we get a shock. We have to be careful, and the horses have to be careful too. And we also need to be careful not to get our fingers in the horse's mouth. Oh, that would hurt. They like this grass though. Don't you, Mr. and Mrs. Horsey? Look, and this one's brown. All over it's brown. And this one is white and brown. It's got some white and brown spots. see some really nice grass here that I'd like. How's that? And the feet from a horse, they're called hooves. Can you say hoof? They've got hooves for feet. And they've got this beautiful hair just here. That's called a mane. That's a horse's mane. Can you see their funny noses? Can you see the horse's funny wiggly noses? I'll let him smell my hand. Do you want to smell my hand? Wow, I can feel his big warm breath on my hand. And he's got some big black whiskers on his nose as well. I've never really noticed the horse's whiskers on their nose. Such a beautiful horse though. We always have to be really gentle and quiet around animals. Because we don't want to scare them or stress them. And with animals, I learned as a child the best thing to do is treat the animals with respect, and they're always going to treat you with respect. Just like with snakes, you have to treat the snakes with respect and they treat you with respect. So sometimes we have to give things a bit of space just to make sure that there's a safe space between us, and that's the way to go. In Australia, where I'm from, we've got lots of snakes and spiders, but that's what I learned. We just have to respect them and they're going to respect us. I mean, I don't want to eat a crocodile. Why would a crocodile want to eat me? They're having a great feed now. They love all this fresh grass that I've given them. Maybe you've seen a horse somewhere and maybe you've fed it some grass as well. I think animals are so much fun and they're so beautiful, such divine creatures. They are so beautiful. But look, sometimes they get bothered. Can you see all the flies around their eyes? Who likes marshmallows? Look what I found. Is this a giant marshmallow? Look at them. Could that be a strawberry marshmallow? No, it's not. It's just filled with hay. There's just hay inside these. And that's to store the hay for the winter. Another great thing that the farmer does. But they look like marshmallows, don't they? Look, there's some green marshmallows over there. Yum, yum. Whoa! Animals this? Look at these beautiful little chickens. Look, there's brown and black, and there's a speckled one. I think there's a rooster in there too. See, there was grass. And these farmers. And on this farm, this is where we get our fresh eggs from. The eggs come from chickens. And they've got a little hut over here where we can come every week and buy our fresh eggs straight from the farmer. Do you want to come and have a look at the fresh egg hut? Wow, look at all the great stuff in here. We've got potatoes, straight from the farm. We've got some rhubarb down here. Look, it's red and it's green. There's some firewood down here. We've got some frühlingszwiebeln, some spring onions. We've got all this fresh pasta from the mountain up here. And in the fridge over here, come and have a look at this. We've got some eggs. Who knows what that number is? That's the number 10. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 eggs in here. Wow, so many eggs. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. There's so many eggs in here. There's some sausages down the bottom. Wow, this place is awesome. Do we need anything? Do we need anything from here? I think we've got everything at home. Let's keep on going. I think we can find some, what are they called? They're called deers. Let's go see if we can find the deers to feed. Come on. Here's that red tractor, and he's making some hay. Look at the things on the back of his tractor, spin around and around and around. This is cool. Tractors are fun. Look at that big machine. It is so big, isn't it? Look at the wheels. They're nearly as big as me. Hey! Look what we've got here. It's an excavator or a digger. You can see it's got a big long green arm, and then down here that's the scoop or the shovel, and this is one of the arms that keeps it stable, so that stops it from falling over. He's going to put that down to keep him upright. And look, it doesn't have any wheels. It's got tracks. It rolls around on the tracks, and it can move a lot better on some grounds. That is really cool. Wow, look at all these beautiful flowers. A flower? Oh, look at this. Look what we've got here. Hey, it's a deer. Hello, you. Do you want to have a little smell? You smell my hand. Look. Hey, these animals are beautiful. They're called deers. You can see he's got some horns growing out of his head. Those horns are called antlers. Here you go, Mr. Deer. Do you want some grass? I think they're used to eating bread though. What's that noise? I found some sheep over here. They've got such a beautiful spot out here. And can you see how they're sitting in the shadow? They're trying to keep cool. Hey! Thanks for coming out on the farm with Big ODO today. Can you say Big ODO? Big ODO. That's B-I-G-O-D-O. Big ODO! And parents, if you want some cool YouTube videos for your kids where they can see a real person doing real things, then click the subscribe button, hit the like, give it a thumbs up. We love to have you here. I love to entertain kids. It's just what I love, and I love to help kids learn. Big ODO! Woo! Ha! Oh! Hey! Have a look at all this.